I'm a striped horse from Africa, known for my speed and grace. In a herd on the savannah, I'm a beautiful sight to embrace. What am I? The answer is a zebra. I'm a slow-moving reptile, carrying my home on my back. I'm often seen munching on lettuce, and I'm not afraid of a little snack. What am I? The answer is a tortoise or a turtle. I'm a large, gentle land animal with a trunk that I can swing. My wrinkled skin and floppy ears are part of what nature did bring. What am I? The answer is a elephant. I'm a majestic bird, known for my long neck and elegant flight. In many cultures, I'm a symbol of grace and wisdom, day and night. What am I? The answer is a swan. I'm a slippery creature, with scales that glisten in the sun. Found in rivers and lakes, my journey upstream has just begun. What am I? The answer is a fish. I'm a small, buzzing insect, collecting nectar from flowers sweet. With my hive and stinger, I work together to make something neat. What am I? The answer is a bee. I'm a large cat, known for my golden fur and mighty roar. Roaming the grasslands, I'm a hunter that you can't ignore. What am I? The answer is a lion. I'm a solitary creature, silent and elusive at night. My big eyes help me see in the dark, and I'm known for my silent flight. What am I? The answer is an owl. I'm a furry Arctic mammal, well adapted to the cold. My white coat helps me blend in, and I'm an excellent hunter, I'm told. What am I? The answer is a polar bear. I'm a marine mammal, playful and full of glee. Jumping and flipping in the waves, the ocean is where I long to be. What am I? The answer is a dolphin.